learning. Now, as I explained you over here, this one, you can take it over here. This one. Now, we know that this is the relationship between AI, ML, and DM, right? Now, when we talk about machine learning, one second, guys. Now, see, machine learning is one of the ways of implementing our AI. Okay, the way we implement the AI, that is done with the help of machine learning. Now, machine learning is we can define it as it is a process of it is a process of developing the intelligent machines. Okay, it is a now obviously this is a type of artificial intelligence, so that allows, like, it's a process of developing intelligent machines which can extract intelligence from the data by itself without explicitly programmed. That means, in a simple terminology, this is first thing is it is a kind of implementation of artificial. Now, this is here we are not going to do any implementation. Here we are going to do the implementation. Okay, how you will define a machine learning? Machine learning, it is a type of artificial intelligence that allows machines, it's a type of artificial that allows the machines to understand insights and patterns within the data and extract intelligence from the data. Understand insights and pattern within the data and extracts intelligence from the data by itself without explicitly programmed. Means again, this is we are going to do the programming. Okay, but what it mean by explicitly programmed is I will tell you. Okay, just give me a minute. I will explain you what that exactly means. Now, so you can also define this one in a simple terminology. It is a process of extracting or developing intelligent machines without explicitly programmed. Okay, explicitly programmed. Intelligent machines which can learn by itself. The program, something like this. Now, I will explain you what exactly this one is. See, I'm, we are going to create a model. And now we know that we created the model multiple times. But as we move forward, I'm going to explain you about this. Next one is, this is the data I have it. Let's take it. This is my data. Okay. This is my model. Model is nothing but it is a program with based on algorithm. We know that. This is my data. Now, when we are giving the data to the model, okay, now this one is called as training. We know it. Training. So this is my model. This is the data and this. Now, this model will extract the knowledge. Now, first of all, I want to let you know. See, this model means it is a program based on algorithm. It is a program based on algorithm. Okay. Now, yeah, this is a program based on algorithm. Now, what exactly happens is, when this is built, when you give the data, this will extract the knowledge from this data. That is insights and the patterns from the data, and it will become intelligent. Okay, it will become intelligent. Now, suppose if you give a over here like cancer patient data, it will learn about the cancer patient details and it will act like a doctor. Now, if you give a new patient details and it will tell that whether the person is having cancer or not. Okay. Next one, you take the same model. Take the same model over here. I'm just copying this. Okay. Here, you give it a instead of the same model means same model. What has been programmed earlier, the same model, we will take it over here. And this time I will give the data of stock market. Now this will learn from the data from the stock market. Again, this data is gone. This knowledge is gone. Now this one is learning from the stock market, stock prices, and you can build an application. You can build an application, and this model will learn from this stock data and it will start doing the prediction. This time it will act like a stock broker, stock advisor. We can say it as stock advisor. Stock analyst, stock advisor. Okay. Now that is what it is. See, once we built it, we gave the cancer data, it extracted the knowledge, it acted like a doctor. And this time, when I'm giving the same model, I'm giving the stock data, it will become a stock advisor. That is what I mean to say it over here. It can learn on its own without learn by itself without explicitly program. Means no need to program each and every time. Once you build it, then it will start working upon it. Okay. Clear. Okay. Now this is the way. Now where it was, who is the one who coined this one? So there was a gentleman called as Arthur Samuel who coined the term machine learning in the year 1957. No, sorry, 1959, where at Dartmouth Conference of MIT. Okay, like this, we are going to. Now, that is what is now Arthur Samuel. Now, how this guy came up with the term machine learning is, as I explained earlier also. Now, this gentleman, he was working in IBM in 1952. IBM. And when he was working, he developed a program, chess playing program, that is called as checkers program again. This program where a human can play with it, and other side the computer will play the. Okay. Now like it is a weak program. It's not so strong. It's a weak program. Now anyone can defeat it within 15 moves. Within 15 moves, you can easily defeat it. But what happened was, now suppose a person has went today to play this game. Now again, he went back after 2 weeks. After 2 weeks to play the game. Now, when this went first time, he was able to defeat in 12 moves. Now, when he went back after 2 weeks, then he was not able to defeat the system within 2 moves, 12 moves. Now it was taking around 25 moves. Of course, you are defeating the system, but this time it is taking 25 moves. Okay, that is where the author Samuel said that this machine is learning by itself. Okay, this machine is learning by itself. That is what he came up with. Machine learning. Okay, that's what he gave it. Now, when this was released, guys, again, I told you that in 1957, sorry, 1956, AI was introduced, and 1950s, nine, ML was introduced. When the ML was introduced, they felt that AI can be implemented with ML only. This is the future of AI. But later on, in 2006, there came up the DL. DL was there from the long back, but DL was having a drawback inside that. That was rectified in 2006. That is called as back propagation. And since then, it was working. Okay, like this. Now here, let's see this. I will do one thing, guys. Let me stop the class over here. Uh, there are different types of learning out there. I want to complete all the different types of learning. That is, one is supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement. Okay, all these things we are going to complete it tomorrow. And after that, we will enter into the regression. Yeah, tomorrow we will be having the class. And if not, I will inform you. But mostly, according to best of my knowledge, we will be having the class tomorrow. Okay, Chalo. I will stop it over here. Let's meet tomorrow to continue with this. Thank you.